2023 Jeep Grand Cherokee 5.7L HEMI in it. So we're going to do some work on it. But I'm going to show you what it's set up like on the factory. So factory converter there, factory converter there. Set up similar to the Durangos, kind of. But mid muffler there, dual in, dual out, in the center. Then down into the back right there on each side, over there and over there. And unfortunately, the tips are built in, so we can't put 5-inch tips on it. So yeah, we're gonna take all of this off, do an X pipe in the middle, mid-muffler delete, Flowmaster Outlaws at the rear into his tips. I'll let you guys hear it in a second. Remember guys, like, comment, and subscribe.
Guys, 2023 Jeep Grand Cherokee all the way from Knoxville. It's got the 5.7 HEMI in it. Beautiful car. Go Vols. Anyways, let me show you guys what we done. Cat there, cat there. Then there was a muffler there. We took it off and replaced it with straight pipes and an X pipe. So mid muffler delete with an X pipe right there. Part number's right here. Be a link in the description for it. Then 2 1/4 pipe goes out the back on each side. And then we installed 2 Flowmaster Outlaws, as you guys can see, one there and one there. Part number's right here, 15430S. There'll be a link in the description for it also. Stay tuned, guys. We're gonna let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. And like always, like, comment, and hit that subscribe. There's the mid muffler that was on it. There's the rear resonators that we took off also. Okay, here we go. Stay tuned. 2023 Jeep Grand Cherokee Summit 5.7L. It's all static, squeeze hole. That sounds so good. Flowmaster out. What a beast. Your sound decibels. What at 108? That's crazy. Yeah, 108. You want to keep those just in case? You sure? Okay. Yes. All right, gotta back it up. If you guys don't know, we are located in beautiful Nashville, Tennessee. There's a beautiful shop right down the street from Skyline Hospital on Dickerson Pike. Oh, that sounds so mean. Flowmaster Outlaws. Let you guys hear on the inside. Here we go. Jeep Grand Cherokee with Flowmaster Outlaw rears, mid delete, and X pipe. Sounds absolutely phenomenal, guys. Really deep, clean sound for it. And we got him out in 2 hours, not even, hour and a half, I think. So he's very happy. That sounded good. I like that one. So this is round 2 on this Jeep Grand Cherokee. He brought it back in. It was it droned too much with the Flowmaster Outlaws in the back only. So he brought it back and we added a couple of resonators on it. As you guys can see right there. There they are. 2 beautiful resonators. Still factory X, 2.5-inch pipe. Then there's the Flowmaster Outlaws in the back. So that's what we did. Stay tuned. Let's see if that helps with the sound too. Amplifies it or cleans it up more. Those resonators should help it out a lot. All right, there's the 2 pipes that were on it that we took off. Stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. All right, guys, so here we go with the bottle resonators built in. Go ahead, look at the turkeys. Look. That's crazy. Those were turkeys. That's crazy. Is that better?
That still sounds great.
Go ahead. Brad. Again. Oh, that's so much better. Your sound decibels. So it dropped it 8 decibels, 9 decibels almost. That's perfect. Again. Yeah, it's a lot better. So that's a nice combination. Huh? Look at the turkeys, guys, flying. That was more. That's crazy. Gotta back it up, bro. You guys don't know, we are located in beautiful Nashville, Tennessee. There's a beautiful shop right down the street from Skyline Hospital on Dickerson Pike. What do you think? You like it before or now? You're supposed to say before to piss him off. That's what my wife would have done. Like before. Now I like it. It cleaned it up a lot. It tamed it. Give it gas. Again. Again. I'll let you guys hear it on the inside. Here we go. All the way from Knoxville, guys. Grand Cherokee 5.7 HEMI Summit Edition. Jeep Grand Cherokee with bottle resonators and Flowmaster Outlaw rears.
Let's go, balls.
Let's go, balls. Yeah, here we go. Here we go. We amplified the T. Yeah. That sounds clean.
Just enough rasp at the end.
Yeah. Guys, we got a 2010 Dodge Challenger RT Hemi. We just did Dynamax mids, rear delete, stock tips. Go ahead. All the way from Memphis, guys. We have shit coming down. All right, take it down the road. Enjoy, guys. Thank you.
What did you put on that one?
Dynamax bullets.
I saw those on there. I had them wrote
Yeah.
on the list.
On yours, we did the twists. They sound better because you didn't want them like throaty. You wanted it clean. Here we go. Nice. Enjoy, guys.